The Wolfcraft 3038000 Connector Pro Easy is an innovative adapter designed to merge two one-hand clamps from either the Pro or Easy series. This fusion allows woodworkers to achieve a remarkable clamping width of up to 200 centimeters, perfect for assembling sizable furniture items. Crafted meticulously from premium steel, its integration is straightforward and efficient. Users simply attach it to their existing clamps and tighten. Not only does this tool eliminate the necessity of purchasing lengthy, pricier clamps, but it also offers unmatched versatility in clamping tasks. Its one-handed operation is smooth, ensuring minimal hassle. Durability is a given thanks to its robust construction. For woodworkers, this connector is both a cost-effective and practical addition to their toolkit. The drilling template for the Servo Drive Bracket Profile Attachment, ZML 1150.02, is a specialized tool designed for marking or pre-drilling fixation points for the Servo Drive Bracket Profile Adapter. Crafted from high-quality plastic, this template guarantees precision and is straightforward to utilize. Just align it with the bracket profile and drill. This tool is compatible with several Servo Drive bracket profiles, including Tandem Box Intivo, Tandem Box Antaro, Movento, and Tandem. Two size variants cater to different material thicknesses: ZML 1150.02 for 16 mm and ZML 1150.03 for 19 mm. Ensuring accurate and correct bracket profile installation, it's an indispensable tool for anyone setting up a servo drive system, priced around $10. The DIY Quick Snap Dust Separator from Infinity Cutting Tools offers an affordable and effective solution for hobbyists and DIYers keen on minimizing dust from their small power tools. This all-inclusive kit features a separator, a 5-gallon pail, a lid, and a quick-release connector, with an optional lid stiffener available for added durability. Using centrifugal force, it separates heavier dust particles, depositing them into the pail, while lighter particles get vacuumed. Made from top-quality materials, this easy-to-assemble system is compatible with most small power tools, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a straightforward dust collection solution. The Bloom Drilling Jig 65.059A is an indispensable tool tailored for the accurate drilling of holes for Bloom hinges, clip-top, Blumotion, and Aventos systems. Crafted from top-grade plastic, this jig promises not only durability but also precision. It's furnished with multiple adapters to cater to various hinge types and an essential depth stop to prevent over-drilling. Its user-friendly design ensures the right placement and size for each hole, taking the guesswork out of installations. For anyone engaged in fitting Bloom components, this jig is the go-to for ensuring a seamless and safe installation process. Its standout features include its robust construction, user-friendliness, precision, adaptability, and inbuilt safety measures. The Varsk Contour Gauge with Light stands out as a must-have tool for those who frequently tackle projects needing precision contour mapping. With a substantial 10-inch span, this gauge, made of robust ABS plastic, ensures durability. Featuring 60 sharp pins, it promises impeccable accuracy in tracing any object's shape. Its standout feature is the built-in light, ensuring clarity even in poorly lit spaces. Its simplicity shines. Just press the gauge against any shape, and its pins will mold to it, providing a precise template for subsequent tasks. Ideal for woodworking, flooring, or any DIY task, it's a valuable addition to a craftsman's toolkit. The PosiLock T-Square from Woodpecker's Tools is a game-changer for woodworking enthusiasts. Crafted from top-notch stainless steel, its blade boasts clear 1/32 inches increment graduations, ensuring unparalleled precision. What sets this tool apart is its adjustable head, which can be angled anywhere between 0 degree and 70 degree, perfect for intricate layouts or compound angles. Users can trust in its stability with the head locking firmly at the chosen angle. Key features include its adjustable angle head, secure locking mechanism, and blade readability. With available lengths of 12, 24, and 32 inches and an optional racket trademark for effortless storage, it's both versatile and durable, promising years of reliable use for any dedicated woodworker. The Black & Decker KS 890 ECN Scorpion Saw is a multifunctional tool, adept at tasks from pruning to detailed DIY cuts. Combining the features of a jigsaw and a pruning saw, it's versatile in cutting wood, metal, and plastic. Its auto-select technology ensures optimal performance settings for each material. With variable speed control, users can easily adjust to the task at hand. A standout feature is its tool-free blade change, facilitating swift swaps for enhanced efficiency. The saw also includes a unique branch holder for easier garden work. The corded design ensures uninterrupted power, while a safety lock provides added security. Ergonomically designed, this Scorpion saw promises precision and comfort in one package. The Silly Glue Pod, coupled with its 3 Silly Micro Glue brushes, offers an innovative solution for hassle-free gluing tasks. Constructed from silicone, the pod is reusable and ensures a neat application process. Included are 3 uniquely tipped brushes, fine, chiseled, and flat-tapered, enhancing precision, especially for intricate areas. These brushes, also crafted from soft, flexible silicone, adapt seamlessly to various surfaces. Whether you're into arts and crafts, woodworking, or model making, this set promises both functionality and cleanliness. It's a must-have for those seeking a cleaner, more efficient gluing experience. The Stanley Quick Clamp Vise is a multifunctional tool designed for woodworking, metalworking, and jewelry crafting. Its highlight is the quick-release mechanism, ensuring swift clamping and releasing of materials. With a generous 6-inch jaw capacity, it accommodates various workpiece sizes. Unique to this vise is its 360-degree rotation capability, granting users flexibility in their work. Furthermore, its integrated level ensures precision, keeping your workpiece perfectly aligned. Not only is it built for durability and reliability, but its price point also offers outstanding value. In summary, this vise promises efficiency, versatility, and longevity, making it a worthy addition to any workspace. The Bessey K-Body Revolution KBX20 extender is an ingenious addition to your clamping tools, designed to augment the span of 2 K-Body Revolution clamps. Crafted from premium aluminum, it promises durability and resilience. Its main advantage lies in facilitating the clamping of large or irregularly sized workpieces, which wouldn't be feasible with a single clamp. Integration is seamless. Just affix the extender between 2 clamps and secure it using the bolts. It's an excellent tool for those who often work with varying workpiece dimensions and desire to optimize their K-Body Revolution clamps. In essence, it's a durable, user-friendly solution for extended clamping needs. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.